Take a few deep breaths and allow your body to take in all the air that it needs. Imagine your entire body softening. Breathe in now from the top of your head and allow your out-breath to glide all the way down to the bottom of your feet. And take a breath in and gently out. Be thankful for all the gifts in your life right now. Appreciate where you have been, every situation and relationship from your past has taught you something useful, a magical key moving you forward, making you who you are today. Now, notice those things that have outlived their usefulness. What keeps you stuck? How many times have you felt bad for making poor decisions? How often have you disregarded yourself because you didn't want to hurt someone else's feelings? Where are you still holding resentment toward another or towards yourself? What stops you from living your dreams? Recognize the obstacles and begin to make mental notes of all of those things that you are ready to release. Let all your fears, anger, worries, doubts, disappointments, should-haves, could-haves, and if-onlys surface in your mind now. And take a breath in and breathe in and out wonderful new energy. See what items, relationships, or situations you have also outgrown or need to shift in some way. Take the time to express gratitude for the lessons learned, and then visualize them gently leaving and changing and transforming to promote your new reality. As the old energy flows out, a new lightness flows in, opening up space for compassion, forgiveness, for health, for prosperity, and success. Your energy is refreshed and replenished now. Open your heart. Express gratitude for the opportunity to grow in awareness and move forward in lightness of being. Imagine that you can breathe in all the qualities you need for this new part of your life. Breathe in courage to be true to yourself. Breathe in love to warm your heart always. Breathe in trust, feeling support in this new beginning. Just breathe it in gently and breathe out. See yourself as strong and positive. So now, allow these 4 intentions, these words, to become your words. I want a joyful, energetic body. I want a loving, compassionate heart. I want a restful, alert mind. I want lightness of being. Taking a pause between each intention allows it to find its place inside you. So, let's begin to silently say each intention, one at a time. Silently say the first intention. I want a joyful, energetic body. Let your attention go to any sensation, image, feeling, or thought that arises. Be gentle with any response that comes. And then return your attention to your heart as we move on to say the next intention. Now, silently say the second intention. I want a loving, compassionate heart. I want to speak from my heart in times of conflict. Don't judge what arises from this intention or try to change it. It's fine to have any response, even if you might label it negative. If you find that any response to these intentions feels too strong or causes distress, just take a few deep breaths until you feel centered again. Don't force anything. Just breathe in. Just breathe out. Moving on now, silently say the third intention. I want a restful, alert mind. Allow grace to radiate into the spaces where judgment, self-criticism, self-punishing behavior usually resides. I want a restful, alert mind. And finally, silently say the fourth intention. I want lightness of being. The opposite of flow is stress. If you find yourself being stressed, get out of the stressful situation as quickly as you reasonably can. Find a quiet place, center yourself, and repeat your intentions, especially I want lightness of being, firmly grounded in your environment, rooted strongly in where you are, and because of that, because of your four intentions, because of all of those, you will rise, you will thrive. Flow replaces struggle. So, acknowledge the four intentions, and they will increase. I want a joyful, energetic body as I walk this earth. I want a loving, compassionate heart stoked by my life fire. I want a restful, relaxed, and alert mind shaped by cool, flowing waters. I want lightness of being dancing on the warm breath of air.